Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn something very simple. All right, this is a iron, okay, a cast iron or a wrought iron or whatever, a iron, basically an iron tawa, and I've heard it is very good for the blood hemoglobin levels and a very healthy way to cook compared to the aluminum and the non-stick cookware, which basically give in and release some chemicals in the food. This is one of the age-old and traditional materials that can be used for a safer way to cook. All right, so we're going to see how we are going to season this iron tawa. So it's not like you just pick it up and then start burning things on it and cooking, and it will work. It will definitely leave a lot of residue in the food, and it's not advisable to use it right away from the stove. So how do we season a iron stove and also ensure that over the period of time what happens during the seasoning is it also gives it a little bit of a non-sticky quality. All right, so let's check that out now. And before that, let me first turn this stove on. As you can see, I've upgraded to a traditional fire-based gas stove. It's even more silent, and all of my videos will be more noisier than the earlier ones, where I used to use a induction cook with a fan. So first thing is, let's take out this particular sticker. The most irritating part, they keep these manufacturers keep sticking things right on the cooking place, which is what I don't like. But anyway, so once it's hot enough, the sticker just peels off. Right, it should peel off. And let me also tell you, so there is a little kind of a coating out here. Okay, you can see a kind of a coating here. Basically, it is a powder which is being applied to this iron block to keep it from getting rusted. All right. Now let me pull it out. I hope it works. Yeah, I think it is working a little bit. Tricky parts. Okay. Gotta be careful not to get hurt, especially with these kind of things. Alright, here goes. Oops. Welcome to my channel. Filled with adventures. Oh my god, look at my. I burned my finger yesterday. Okay, this was when I was doing some cooking work. A lot of things keep happening. I keep injuring myself. So, well, I hope you learn from my mistakes and don't repeat it. All right. So I've turned it off. Now I've turned it off. Okay. It gets hot pretty easily. And now once I've taken the sticker out, let me also show you how that looks. Okay, that's basically the powder that is coated on it. See, you can see this. This is some sort of powder that is coated on it. So this has to be taken out. All right. So we will just wash it regularly. Okay, rinse it and wash it regularly. Let me. It's going to be a huge splash now. Let's take a look. Be very careful with this, guys. Iron based. Okay, be very careful. Still is hot. Either ways, let's go ahead and start with the cleaning. Clean it thoroughly and nicely. Okay, I'll show you what else to do next. And there's a little bit of gum residue left here, and you will have to rub it off. gonna go. So you don't have to worry about that. Leave it at it. Okay, because you've not got the whole time, especially bachelors don't have time for all this kind of shit. So let's get done with what is done. Alright, so with this done, now next what we'll do is we'll see if it can really be taken off. No, it can't be. It's kind of etched into the metal. It doesn't seem to be coming off. Some sort of a etching which is being done there. That's fine. Alright, so I'll tell you what to do next now. Let me show you what's done next. Okay, just wipe it dry. With a kitchen towel. Wipe it dry. Okay. There goes, and let me see if it can really be taken off. I think it can be taken off, but it is going to be quite a task. So this is the problem with these stickers which come with these products. Okay, most of the time when you go to a supermarket or any place that you go to buy something, you will see something has been stuck in the place where the cooking happens, right in the bang in the middle of the vessel utensil. And then you're always worried about what kind of residue these adhesives will have, food and all that. Always at the back of the mind. Anyway, I don't think this is going rubbing much, so I'll let it be. I shall let this be. And now I shall apply some cooking oil. Look at this kind of look at the shavings that's coming off. The powder that is supposed to stick to it, it's still coming off. It continues to come off. I'll use some more kitchen towel. Still seems to be coming off and off. It's a thick coating, yeah. And now I can feel the resistance of the glue out here. Guys, this thing doesn't seem to end. Look at the way it is. The powder is coming off. The coating that this iron pan had still continues to come out. Alright, but for now, what I can say is that gumming has come off. The gumming has come off considerably. Because I used another round of washing powder. Oh my god, look at this. Just look at this. Continues to come out. Continues to come out. Alright. So let me keep doing it to an extent only. I don't want to continue doing so much. Okay. Like this should be it. And now let's do another thing, that is pour some oil on it. Any vegetable oil will do, don't need to be specific. And with this also pour some salt on it. Where the heck is the salt, man? मुझे ज़मीं पर बुलाया गया है तेरे लिए कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है. Okay, guys. So be liberal with the application of the salt on it. Okay. So I poured so much of salt on it, and what you need to do now is just spread it around. I would rather I can actually use a spoon to do this. I think you need to pour a little bit more salt on it. And you can spread it around more evenly. Spread it around even more evenly. Okay, guys, with this, we are done with salt and the oil coating for the iron pan, and we will have to leave this soaking. We have to leave it like this for 24 hours. Okay, so this is the process. This is what it takes for it to get seasoned. So 24 hours, it's gonna be remaining like this. So let me store it in one place, and the next scene or cut that you will see on this video would be a 24-hour soaked cast iron. Okay, and we will take it on from there, and we'll also make a small maybe an omelette or something on it to see how it works. All right, see you in a second. So welcome back to the second part of the video, my dear friends. This is the cast iron frying pan that I seasoned, and I applied oil and salt to it, and I was supposed to keep it for 24 hours, but I've kept it for more than that. As a matter of fact, for a couple of weeks. So you can't expect much better from a bachelor. So in between, I got too involved in eating junk food and the food outside. So I didn't have the patience to do this. So now that it's done, I would like to start off with using this, showing you how a sunny side up omelette is also made in this. So let me wash this up and quickly get back with the preparation. Okay, so here we have it. After being washed, it's a little bit slippery. Yes, thanks to the oiling, it's a bit slippery. Now let me put in a bit of butter and then we will start cracking our eggs. So here we have the salted butter from Amul. I'll put this much into it. I'll use the next bit for the next part. Let me first crack this. Okay, let this actually melt and then we will make use of this. So I'll just use this bamboo thing to spread the, not the bamboo, it's a wooden spatula, I can say. Spread this around a little bit and then I will let me crack this open. So I learned in one of the videos that you're supposed to heat it on a flat substance so that the chunks of this eggs don't get into the omelette. So far it seems to be doing a good job. Let's see. So not keep it on high as yet, it's in medium flame. And so now it seems to be almost floating. Pretty neat, I would say. Just want it to solidify well so that I can lift it up. Here's a different angle for you. It's spluttering now. I think. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, it woke me up! My goodness! Cooking is dangerous, my dear friends. Oh my god! I would rather wear a helmet and some marble. Oh my god! Okay, let it finish. I'm just gonna. Oh, very sorry about that. Let me just lift it up. Uh, so they say this liquid part is a pretty good thing, and one must have this. But for the sake of this, I will actually. Why is it not going? Oh. Now I think. There you go. I'm going to do double side because I don't want it too liquidy. And just hope this is done. Yeah. So this is how it is. Doesn't look that good, but I'll do the next one as sunny side up. Proper sunny side up. I'll have to do it in a low flame. So for this, you would have noticed I have not put any butter base to avoid those explosions, and I'm hoping this gets done well. So this I've kept it in low flame. This item, this particular batch, or this egg. So I'm hoping it does not stick. Oh my god! I guess it started sticking. That's not good. That's really not good. That's really not good. Oh, okay. This seems to be okay. Let me make my way through this here. So, guys, this is the first time I'm using, this after keeping it for seasoning. So this is bound to happen. I want it to be like, I want it to get nicely done up, but not fried too much. The lighter it is, the better. Okay. I want this to be done well. It shouldn't be too liquidy for me. That's what I'm looking for out here. Or maybe I will have to forego that, right? Okay, guys. Now let me go ahead and turn it up. This is how a sunny side up actually looks, but I'm going to turn it up because it's still liquidy. Now you would have learned with me on how to do it, so the future preparations on this tawa will be more accurate and oops. Ooh. This is fine. This is not too over fried up. This is not a problem. Fine with this. Okay, so let me show you the finished dish. Alright, guys. So these things I think that comes off pretty. So this is how it looks. What I'm going to do is sprinkle some pepper on it. Okay. So let me. I've switched it off already. I'll keep it aside, and also let you know how the dressing is going to be. So I'll sprinkle some pepper on it, and a little bit of salt to go with the taste. And yeah, I would have loved to have some veggies too, but then for now this much is enough. Okay. Yeah. So a little bit of chili, red chili, and we're all set. Alright, guys, this is how it goes. So this is sunny side up. The amateurish style, but then you have the freshly toasted slices of masala bread from Nilgiris and makes for a very good quick snack with protein and carbs, quick carbs altogether. Bon appetit!